Hi, I am Samir Paigude. I am Senior General Manager Sales and Marketing for Mist Resonance Engineering Private Limited. We have our products which are cooling towers. We are basically into Luva type mist cooling system, which is a fanless system, and this system gives an approach of 1 degree to prevailing WBT. The delta T we can operate is up to 12 to 15 degrees. There are no fans required, there are no fills required. The nozzles are placed on the ground level which spray water upwards. So they go at a height of around 5 to 5.5 meters. The cover sheeting height is 11 meters. The travel time for water is double, that is, they go up to 5 meters and come back down. So they eventually remain in air for 10 meters, more than 10 to 12 seconds, and the heat transfer happens. This is another system. The footprint required for this system is higher. That is the only drawback of this system. Otherwise, this is an excellent system for HVAC applications where a close approach will definitely reduce the power consumption on the chillers. This is one of our other products, that is the induced draft mist cooling tower. We are using the same nozzles over here with reduced bore size, that is 14 mm. We have a patent for Indian patent for our nozzles. The same nozzles are being used over here. And in this induced draft mist cooling tower, the speciality is as we break the water particles of 5 micron size, we do not require any fills in between. Generally, in conventional cooling towers, fills are required, which are installed just below the nozzles because the water particles are not broken below 2 mm or 5 mm size. Therefore, they want water to remain in the cooling tower for longer period of time. Therefore, they have fills. As we are breaking water particles to 5 micron size, we are exposing large surface area of water particles, and therefore no fills are required. As no fills are required, there is less pressure drop on the fan, and if the fan power is reduced by around 25 to 30% by using induced draft mist cooling tower. So these are the products that we have that are held by CII. Thank you, CII. Thank you very much.